Hi guys, I'm Nikki Lee, the owner of Nikki Lee Travel, and I am going to show you a really cool hack on how to get the lowest airfare. Now, we're talking airfare only. If you do air in a hotel, it's best to get with a travel professional to get a bundle deal, but we're talking about airfare only here. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to find out what the best time to go to where we want to go. Like, we want a graph to see like what's the absolute lowest price for flights. Okay, so if you want to see the absolute lowest price on flights, I am going to show you how to do so. When you go to Google, just Google flights, and right here you'll see Google flights. And what we're going to do is we're going to select round trip just for an example, and we're going to do a passenger. We're going to do Las Vegas, and we're going to go to, let's use Cancun, for example. Okay, let's use Cancun for an example. And we can pick any random date. It doesn't matter. We're just going to pick, let's see here. Now, as you can see, it gives you the prices right here, okay? So you can see, all right, now, the lowest is gonna be in green, and you can go from month to month. So let's move over. Maybe it's lower in June or July, and you can basically keep going. So as you can see, it's getting lower. It's $366 round trip in August. And you can keep doing this. The lowest will always pop up green. So let's just go ahead and do that for an example, but you can see. Okay, we'll get a better idea when we see the graph. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is click this little graph right here. And now you can see when the lowest prices are. You can see here, you see how it has like a graph, and you can see the lowest dates. So here would be the lowest. So it would be $268 in September, but you'd have to follow those dates, right? And over here, they have another little graph. Move myself out of the way here. And right here, you can go to a grid. I like the grid myself because you can move dates around. And here you can, from the 17th to the 20th is $324, to the 21st, not much difference there. But you can pretty much see a whole grid, right? You can scroll down. You can see if you stay longer, shorter, and then the highest is going to be in red, the lowest is going to be in green. So once you get your dates down, let's go with the 17th to the 20th of August. So let's go with the 17th to the 21st, and we'll go ahead and push that. It says it's $325, right? So what we're going to do is the 17th to the 21st, we know that's, well, actually it's lower over here, $308, okay? We want to use the absolute lowest, okay? So let's do the 16th to the 21st. I mean, of course, this is if you're flexible with dates, but the 16th to the 21st, and then we're going to go over here, and we're going to go to a company called Ebates. Now, this is money that you're going to get back when you book your flights, but also it does have sometimes the lowest rate. It's best to get with a travel agent like myself. And, we know all these hacks. We know when the best time is for airlines, when, we get emails all the time, and we're very familiar with, how to get the best flight price. If you book air and hotel together, then you're going to get the bundle deal, stuff like that. But if you just need airfare and you want to see the lowest price, this is the way to do so. When you go to ebates.com, I'm going to go ahead and put my link below. If you want to go ahead and click the link below, you can go ahead and do so. That way it's easy for you. So Ebates, that's the link there. And then what I want you to do is go in here and then just do airfare. I want you to search airfare. And then here's all the airfare. Okay, so let's just pick Cheapo Air. Okay, now if you are a travel agent, then you don't want to use a company. If you are, travel agents don't make money on airfare alone anymore, maybe 1%, not really anything worth it. But if you are booking airfare alone and you're a travel agent, and you definitely don't use this method, otherwise you're getting money back. So you can't use this as, you know, a travel agent, because you won't get paid on the other end of wherever you're booking. So like, for example, if you're booking with Spirit and you do get commission from Spirit, then you can't do both, if that makes sense. This is if you're going to do like one or the other. Okay, so let's go ahead and just click Cheapo Air for now for this example. And then here it will say shop now. So you're gonna go, now it gives you up to $12.50. Is it life-changing money? No, but we already have the dates on what's gonna be the lowest price. So that's really our main objective, is to get the lowest price. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go into Cheapo Air, and we're gonna search exactly what we searched over there. We're gonna do round trip for this one, and we're gonna do Las Vegas to Cancun, right? For those dates that we saw. And just to remind myself what the dates were, it was 16th to 21st. Okay, so we're gonna do August. '16th to the 21st. And then just one person, let's do two. Okay, we're gonna do two people. And we're gonna search now for the price. Now, the one thing that you wanna do when you come to One Travel or Cheapo Air or whichever one you wanna go to, you wanna log in. You wanna create an account and log in, because not only are you gonna get cash back from Ebates, but you're also going to gain points for your own travel with Cheapo Air, which is amazing, because you just can't lose. You're just gonna get benefits all over. So let's go ahead, and you're seeing around the same price, right, as that one. That one's, you have to be really careful, because some of them, it will be green because it will say alternate date, right? It's gonna say alternate date on there, or it will say a different airport. So you have to be really careful of that. So let's go ahead and just select any flight at all, just so I can show you how I do this. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make sure I'm signed in. You can always sign in at the end, and I will show you that as well. So, and then you're gonna come to the bottom where the payout is. Now, if you can see here on the right, I've attached the Ebates, which is now Rakuten. What you can do is you can add it to your toolbar, so that when you purchase something online with any of the companies that are connected, you're gonna get money back. So for this particular one, it's really cool, because now they're adding a coupon code to it. Now, if you add it and apply coupons, now it's going to take even more money off, which is really amazing, because now you're getting the low price, because now we're getting a coupon code, we're getting money back, and now that we're signed in, we're going to get points for our own travel later on down. So it will get the best price. Oh, I see some $50, I see some $46. It's gonna go through and grab the most. Wow, I see $50 off, amazing. This is great, but there is a little spot on there. If the Ebates doesn't pop up with all the codes, then you'll see a little promo code, and you can look up promo codes, pretty much Google search them. You can find them on pretty much any of the coupon code apps that they have out there. There's so many of them. Okay, so they've applied the highest. They put $50 off. So average per person is $326. That's gonna be the lowest that you're gonna find. Now, remember, that's with taxes, fees, everything out the door. And here's where that little promo code was there. The best promo code is top 20. Again, if you didn't see it there, then you could go on, you know, some of the other websites. Just, you could actually Google search one travel coupon code and it will take you to places like Retail Me Not, stuff like that, and you can find all these codes. However, the Ebates pulls those codes up for you. You do have to add it to your toolbar if you can, and it will automatically do it for you. But this is how you get the absolute lowest price for yourself, for your client, for pretty much anyone. And I absolutely love this because, again, you're going to get money back to you from Ebates. You're also going to get points on Cheapo Air, and you are going to get the lowest price. Now, I always recommend adding the insurance, because if you wanted to change or a client wanted to change, then you could add the insurance. If you're a travel agent, then you could add the insurance, you know, you could do it a different way. You could definitely go with your host agency and book it that way, and then add the insurance for the client, book it through whatever you wanted to book it through, whether it be, you know, all travel agents have different things. I mean, I personally am with Archer Travel Group, so I have a ton of vendors. I have thousands of vendors that I could use. So, you know, again, this is really for, you know, people that really, you know, maybe you have a death in the family, or maybe someone's getting married last minute and you really just need to fly like right now. So you can kind of look, and you have to be flexible with dates, and you can, again, go to Google Flights, look at the best time to go, and then take it over here. Now, I told you guys have to sign in. So here it is. It's sign in here. You want to sign in, and I will sign in with mine. I'll just sign in through Facebook. It still has my account, and I will show you guys the points and how it works. So you see how it says, welcome, Nicole. Hey, I'm a platinum. I have 13,000 points. So if you want to look at that, my rewards here, if you want to look at my rewards, you can just click that here, and you can, if you want to redeem the points and then just book for yourself and take that money off, then you can do so. If you're a travel agent, you can book for clients and you're going to get all of the rewards yourself. If you book for yourself, you're still going to get the reward. So it's really, really amazing. So 13,000 points, as you can see. I have approximately, I have $65 that I can use for flights, and I have $64 that I can use for hotels. So it's really cool. Or they have other options, you know, and also, for this one, if you refer a friend, then you get 5,000 points that you're able to use. That's about $25 in travel money. And it's all here. Everything's here. You do have to use these points. They do expire, just to let you know. And then here's all the bookings and the points that I have accumulated. So, you know, it's a really cool trick. I hope you like this trick. I hope you utilize it. Super, super awesome. Again, my name is Nikki Lee. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe. That way you can see other new videos, and then hit the bell, the notification. That way, when I do make another video, you will be able to get updated on the video that I share. But thank you so much for, again, I'm Nikki Lee with Archer Travel Group, and I hope you have the greatest day. Bye-bye.